Hello, everyone. In this session, we will understand the claim requisition process from the admin screens. Important to note, this use case does not involve any advance payment. The claim requisition is submitted purely for informational and tracking purposes. This helps to make reimbursement easier later on. Let's understand the use case overview. An employee plans to purchase a gift for an upcoming festival and requests the admin to submit a claim requisition on his behalf. The expected expense is 500 rupees, and the employee would like to pre-submit the details so that the actual claim process becomes smoother at a later stage. These are the process steps. First, the admin logs into the system. Then, navigate to menu, HR Management, Claim Management, and Claim Requisition, which is under Admin screen. On the Claim Requisition screen, click Create New Record. Fill in the relevant header details for the requisition, such as claim name and purpose. Save the header information. Next, create a requisition line to capture the subclaim details, for example, gift purchase. Add necessary information, such as estimated amount, description, and category. Once all the details are entered, save and submit the record. Now let's understand use case execution for claim requisition without advance. Before executing the claim requisition in the system, ensure the following prerequisites are in place. Claim type should be defined in the system. For example, gift claim. Claim eligibility should be configured for the employee as per company policy. Now the execution steps. Admin logs into the system. Navigate to menu, HR Management, Claim Management, and Claim Requisition, which is under Admin screen. On the Claim Requisition admin screen, click Create New Record. In the header section, enter the claim requisition name, for example, Gift Claim Requisition. Proceed to the requisition line section and enter the details of the gift. Include the description and the estimated amount, which is 500 rupees. In this case, do not select the advance checkbox, as this requisition is for informational purposes only, with no advance amount involved. Once all details are entered, submit the record for approvals, if any workflows are configured. This completes the execution of a claim requisition without advance. This enables the employee to later submit an actual claim against the same. Let's now look at a system walkthrough of claim requisition from admin screen. First, log into the system. Begin at the login screen. The admin enters their username and password, then clicks on Login. Upon successful login, the admin is directed to the home page, which displays various widgets for quick navigation and system insights. From the home page, go to the menu. Navigate to HR Management, Claim Management, and Claim Requisition, which is under Admin screen. Click to open the Claim Requisition admin screen. Upon opening the screen, the admin will see a dashboard landing page with these features. First, there is a new Claim Requisition widget. It allows the admin to directly initiate a new requisition. Second is the Requisition Detail Report. It provides access to detailed reports on existing claim requisitions. There is also an advanced search. It enables filtering and searching of records using specific parameters. The Claim Requisition Status Overview displays real-time status such as approved, pending, rejected, and so on. The Claim Requisition Type shows types of claim requisitions configured in the system. Charts provide a visual representation of approved versus pending requisitions for quick analysis. This dashboard allows admins to manage, track, and create claim requisitions. Let's now go through the process of creating a new requisition from the admin screen. Click on the New Claim Requisition widget on the landing page. This will open a fresh claim requisition form. Enter the organization name to which the employee belongs. The requisition number field is auto-generated by the system. This field is read only, and the number will appear after saving the record. Add the employee's name for whom the requisition is being submitted. You may type manually or click on the lookup icon to browse and select from the list of employees. Enter the start date, which is the date the requisition is being made. Enter the end date, typically the date range the claim applies to. Fill in the requisition name. Add a description outlining the purpose of the requisition. If the currency is other than Indian rupee, select the appropriate currency from the drop-down list. Once all fields are completed, click Save. After saving the record, the requisition number will now be automatically populated in the respective field, confirming that the requisition has been successfully created. Let's move on to adding requisition details, the sub-requisition line. Once the main requisition record is saved, proceed to the Requisition Details tab to add specific information about the sub-requisition. These are the steps to follow. Navigate to the Requisition Details tab. You will see that the following fields are auto-fetched from the header, requisition number, start date, and end date. Now, enter these details. Sub-requisition name and the purpose of the requisition, for example, gifting to a client or employee. Include the company name of the gift recipient, if applicable. Include the name of the employee or client for whom the gift is being purchased. Add justification, if any, for example, customary festival gesture, client relationship, and so on. Select the appropriate currency. The default is INR, change only if necessary. Enter the estimated amount, for example, 500 rupees. Since this requisition is for information purposes only, make sure to leave the advance checkbox unchecked. Only enable the advance checkbox if a payment is being requested in advance. After entering all the required information, save the record. If there are any documents or references related to the requisition, for example, approval emails, vendor quotes, you can attach them via the document attachment link. Click on Document Attachment. Click the pin icon to upload files. Select the documents, upload, and close the attachment window. After saving, return to the main untoggled form view. Here, you will see that the sub-requisition has been added successfully under the requisition record. Now let's talk about submitting the claim requisition for approval. Return to the first header tab of the requisition form. You will see that the Submit for Approval button is now enabled. Click on Submit for Approval. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click OK to confirm the submission. In the standard configuration, requisitions are auto-approved upon submission. So, in this case, once submitted, the requisition is automatically approved without any manual intervention. You will now see a completed message on the screen confirming that the submission and approval process is complete. It is important to clarify that since no advance amount was requested in this requisition, no payment action is required by the finance team. Payment is only generated when an advance checkbox is marked true and an advance amount is included. This completes our session on how an admin can submit a claim requisition on behalf of an employee. Thank you for attending.